Walk away when disrespected. Here's the hard truth. Every time you accept disrespect, you teach her how to treat you. Disrespect doesn't just kill attraction, it kills your dignity as a man. And yet most men stay, hoping things will change. But the Stoic rule is clear. When respect is gone, you walk away. Today, I'll show you why walking away isn't weakness. It's the ultimate act of strength. 1. Why disrespect destroys a man. Respect is the oxygen of any relationship. Without it, love suffocates. A woman may still be around you, but if she no longer respects you, her love is only a shadow. And a man who tolerates disrespect slowly destroys himself. Disrespect is not always loud. Sometimes it's subtle. The eye roll when you speak, the mocking tone, the small lies, the lack of consideration. Each cut is small, but together they bleed you dry. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. If you allow disrespect to continue, you hand over your mind and power to someone else." Disrespect doesn't just harm how she sees you, it poisons how you see yourself. You begin to question your worth, compromise your standards, and shrink your identity just to keep her. That is not Stoicism. That is slavery. So how do you recognize when disrespect has crossed the line and it's time to walk away? 2. Recognizing the signs of disrespect. Men often confuse forgiveness with weakness. They tell themselves, "It was just one bad day," or "she didn't mean it." But Stoicism is about seeing things clearly without lies. Here are the signs you must not ignore. She mocks your goals and belittles your ambitions. She tests your boundaries and laughs when you enforce them. She treats other men with more admiration than you. She dismisses your emotions, acting as if your feelings don't matter. She disrespects your time, always expecting you to wait or sacrifice. Epictetus said, "You may be unconquerable if you enter into no combat in which it is not in your control to conquer." Allowing constant disrespect is entering a battle you cannot win, because the fight is not against her, it's against your own lack of standards. Recognizing disrespect is not about paranoia, it's about clarity. If her actions consistently strip away your dignity, then the relationship is no longer a partnership, it's a prison. But once you see the signs, what does Stoicism actually tell you to do? 3. The Stoic command: walk away. The Stoics value dignity above comfort, and nothing demands dignity more than the choice to walk away. Seneca wrote, "He who fears death will never do anything worthy of a man who is alive." Replace death with disrespect, and the principle is the same. The man who fears walking away will never do anything worthy of self-respect. Walking away does not mean anger. It does not mean revenge. It means choosing silence and action over begging and drama. It means saying with your presence, "I will not remain where I am dishonored." Many men think walking away is weakness, but the truth is the opposite. Weakness is staying where you are belittled. Strength is leaving, even when it hurts. When you walk away from disrespect, you tell the world and yourself, "My standards matter more than my comfort. My dignity matters more than temporary affection." That is real Stoic masculinity. So if walking away is the rule, how does a man rebuild himself afterward? 4. Rebuilding after walking away. Leaving a disrespectful relationship is not the end. It's the beginning of your rebirth. At first, you may feel emptiness. You may even question your decision. But this is where Stoicism gives you clarity. Freedom always feels heavy before it feels light. Marcus Aurelius said, "If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it." By walking away, you have done what is right. You have refused to live a lie. Rebuilding means returning to yourself. Rediscover your mission, the purpose bigger than love. Discipline your mind and body because mastery creates respect. Surround yourself with those who uplift you, not drain you. Learn from the mistakes, not to blame her, but to sharpen your standards. In time, you realize that walking away was not loss. It was liberation. The respect you refuse to receive from her becomes the respect you restore within yourself. And what happens when you truly embrace this Stoic rule for life? 5. The freedom of walking away. When you master the ability to walk away, you gain an unshakable power. No woman, no situation, no insult can enslave you because you no longer cling to what disrespects you. This is the heart of Stoic freedom. Epictetus taught, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Walking away is the highest act of self-mastery because it means you value your inner kingdom more than external validation. Ironically, the man who can walk away often never needs to. Why? Because people respect those who respect themselves. A woman may test you, but when she feels your resolve, she knows where the line is drawn. And if she crosses it, you will not beg, you will not chase, you will not compromise, you will leave. That certainty is what makes you untouchable. Walking away is not about women, it's about you. It's about living by principles, not by fear. It's about building a life so strong that no one's disrespect can shake it. When you live this way, you do not lose women, you lose chains. And that is the Stoic path to true freedom. Never stay where you are disrespected. The Stoic rule is simple: dignity over comfort, respect over love, self-mastery over need. Walk away and you win your freedom. Subscribe for more Stoic truths every man must hear.